All right, so taking a look here at questions 4 and 5, we are asked to express the rational expression in lowest terms. All right, so with number 4 here, you can see that we already have an expression in factored form. Meaning, if you take a look here at 5, we have in our numerator, we have a polynomial, in this case a trinomial. In the denominator, we have a trinomial, both of which are not factored. Compared to number 4, which you can see each our numerator and denominator have been factored. And in number 4, a lot of the work has already been done for us because we can clearly see the factors that are going to cancel or divide out. So let's take a look. We have y plus 7, y minus 4 in our numerator, y minus 4, y plus 5 in our denominator. And let's see which factors, and remember you can only cancel factors that are exactly the same. So which factors in our numerator and denominator are going to cancel? Well, starting with y plus 7, let's see. We don't have a y plus 7 in the denominator, so the y plus 7 is going to stay. Y minus 4 in our numerator cancels with this y minus 4 in the denominator, so there goes y minus 4. And then y plus 5 in the denominator here, no other y plus 5 in our numerator, so we can't cancel the y plus 5, and so when we actually go to rewrite this expression in lowest terms, we're going to be left with just y plus 7 over y plus 5, and you can go ahead and include the parentheses if you want to. You don't have to, whatever you prefer to do. But there we have it. We have now expressed this rational expression in its lowest terms. Lowest terms meaning we cannot cross anything else out. We can't simplify it. We can't factor it any further. This is it. This is as low as far as writing it in its lowest terms is concerned. We can't do anything else with this. All right, number 5, let's go ahead and take a look at. And so again, as I mentioned earlier, we have now number 5, we have something that has not been factored, right? We have a numerator that is unfactored, a denominator that has yet to be factored, and so let's go ahead and our number 1 step is to factor the numerator, factor the denominator. And so if we're taking a look here at our numerator, we know that we have a trinomial, and a trinomial is going to break down into 2 binomials. Is there a GCF here in our trinomial numerator? Nope, I don't see one. So question number 2, how many terms? Well, 1, 2, 3. So we know that we can either use the scissors method or the AC method or trial and error method. But because the coefficient in front of our squared term is a 1, we can go ahead and use the simplified version of scissors, which means we're looking for factors of 21 that subtract to give us a negative 4. Well, first and foremost, we're working with y, so let's go ahead and break that y down. So y and y. And now again, factors of 21 that subtract to give us negative 4. Well, I think we're going to be working with, how about a plus 3 and a minus 7, right? 3 minus 7 gives us negative 4. And now 3 times negative 7 gives us negative 21. All right, so there we have it. We've factored the numerator. Let's go ahead and take a look at our denominator and factor our denominator. Again, we know a trinomial breaks down into 2 binomials. We are working with y, so let's go ahead and break that y down. And now we want factors of 24 that add to give us positive 11. Well, factors of 24, how about positive 3 and positive 8? 3 plus 8 gives us 11. Positive 3 times positive 8 gives us positive 24. Let me say that again. 3 plus 8 gives us positive 11, and 3 times 8 gives us 24. I don't know if I said that correctly the first time. But now we have a numerator and a denominator that have been fully factored, just like we were given originally in number 4. And now the fun part, we get to go ahead and cross out like terms. So we have a y plus 3 and a y plus 3 here in the denominator, so that can go away. And y minus 7, well, I don't see a y minus 7 in the denominator, so this y minus 7 is going to stay. And looking at the denominator, y plus 8, no other y plus 8s to cancel, and so when we rewrite this expression in lowest terms, we're just left with y minus 7 over y plus 8, and there you have it. We can't do anything else with this. This is in lowest terms. We can't factor it any further. We can't cancel anything else out. This is it. So when they ask us to express the rational expression in lowest terms, first thing you want to do is always factor your numerators, factor your denominators, and once you've factored everything, then go through and cross out factors that are identical. You can only cross out factors that are exact. All right, so there we have it, 4 and 5. I will see you in the next video.